Hey guys, it's Dave from GVA, Caravan Adventures, and I'm going to replace these, what are they called? Hatch shocks, struts, stays, yeah. There's, here, pull that thing for a sec there. My buddy Dave here doesn't want to be on camera. So you just let it go, it just falls. And it just happened out of the blue. Like one day, they were fine, next day, guess what? They weren't so fine. So I picked up a pair of these. You can order them online, and they take a Torx bit. Yeah, it's a T40. Yeah. T40. And you want to take the camera now? And just go to this one. So just put it in, and take it off. Now, show that support over there. That's holding up the thing. We jammed a piece of a broom in there, so it kind of holds it up as we do this.
Hopefully stays there. Hard hatch recommended, but optional.
I think that moved into. Yep. Well. Okay.
Oh, they were still working a little bit.
Yep.
Because this is heavy.
Okay. Can you hold that up? Okay. You still got a visual of some sort?
Kinda.
Okay. So the other one's down here. Same thing. Put it in and take her out. Here, out. Now, reverse the process. I guess I should
Put it on.
put it on. Due to technical difficulties. There, got it threaded.
Where'd the little battery go?
I know. I saw the hatch move there for a second and it kind of shocked me. Yeah, you want to get that bolt lined up in there so you don't have it strip everything out, because that would really, yeah. There we go. Make sure that's in there tight. I don't have to do it too ridiculously tight. And the next one. Oh, does that lift higher? Good. Mosquitoes. And that doesn't feel right. So like I say, when you're putting this together, don't force anything. Make sure it's in right. What's the matter? Getting sore? Is that left higher? Yeah. Push her up as high as she goes. Okay, you can let her go now. And there you go. Now it's actually holding up just with the one, and that one's bad too. So you want to replace these, It still had a little bit of oomph to it. Oh, I think this one was kind of. Now it doesn't want to move at all. So garbage. Okay, so that's how you do it. Just do the same for this side, and it's all done. Thanks to Dave for working the camera.
Yeah.
And like and subscribe if you can. Take care, guys.